Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Trip Planner. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type mymaps.google.com. Here, you have to create a new map. Then you have to click on Untitled Map and you have to give map title and add a description. From here you can search the place you want to go. I am searching for France, then map will go there. Then you have to click add to map. After that you can select style or color from here, or you can add image or video. Also you can edit this. You can select the direction from here or you can delete it. Here we can see there is a undo and redo option, or for selecting items there is a hand option. If you want to mark the pin, then you can pin from here. In the pin you can rename it or you can add description. I am demo 2 and save it. Also you can use as many pin as you want to give your destination to perfect your map. Also you can draw a line or add driving route or add biking route or add walking route. I am drawing a line from here to here to here to here. Then we can rename it. I am saving it. Then it is a polygon of our trip. You can add direction from here if you want to go driving or cycling or by walking. Also from our starting point to end point. After that, in the measure option you can measure the length from here. By it you can add layer, then you can preview it or of your demo. In edit option you will go back there. Also you can share with anyone with this link, or let others search for and find the map on the internet, or let others see the name and photo of the map, or share to drive. From here you can copy the map, open the map, move to trash, select default view, embed on my site, export KLM, KMZ or print map. From here you can edit the map and send to the people you want to share. So that's all about Trip Planner. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.